Right, so we've just got our data SIM cards. How do I look? It is beautifully hot this morning. We've been sat outside having morning coffee, as promised, a campsite review. First stop up to the facilities, poked our heads into the showers, and they were okay, quite basic, cracked tiles, but fully functioning, and I guess that's all you need. We don't use any of the facilities because we've got them in our vans, but lots of people were, and I didn't hear any complaints. The toilets, again, not very pretty, but they do the job. Quite glad I'm not having to use those though. Outside, lots of sinks for washing clothes and dishes. And the terrace outside, you've got upper shady bits or the lower sunny bits, and power throughout the entire site, which is quite good. So they will do some clothes washing for you in their washing machine. However, it's only cold water. And we spoke to someone this morning that said their washing may have come back a little bit dirtier than when it left. So we'll not do that. Where are we off to, Paul Brown?
We're going to go and get our IMRI cards and then go and have lunch.
Yep, so data roaming obviously doesn't work out here, so getting a SIM card now, which we can get a month unlimited data, hopefully, from the IMRI shop. That's our first goal, and then we'll reward ourselves with lunch in the sunshine. Beautiful. The campsite sat on top of the hill, and this was the view as we walked down. Not bad. Straight into the Medina. Right, we've just got our data SIM cards, so it cost 200 MAD, which is about 20 quid. For unlimited data for a month, so can't go wrong with that really, can you? We were invited into this restaurant on a terrace to have lunch, but we're a little bit nervous. There was nobody else there, not the smell of food around, and nobody eating, so we decided to go back down to the busy square. I enjoyed a delicious mint lemonade before tucking into our second tagine in 2 days. I'm never going to get bored of these. Delicious. We then took a wander round through the Medina out to the other side to explore the other part of town, and it was just wonderful. Lots of new shops, different things to be seen. I just wanted to buy everything. It's all shiny. Let me have it all. It was nice and cool in these streets as well, whereas in the sunshine it must be pushing on 30 degrees. So this side of town has a waterfall running down it and is very busy with people selling fruit juices. There's loads of little pop-up shops and a very busy hub of activity. This is also where the village come and do all their washing on the washboards there. All we saw was fruit being washed, but we enjoyed a wonderful walk down the river and all the lavadas and enjoyed the cool shade as we did so. It was really beautiful and a bit of town that maybe not many others see breaking out of the Medina. Whilst Mum was posing with a donkey behind her, we suddenly ended up with all these headscarves and wares on us and coaxed into having our photos done. How do I look? We just bought some blingy headscarves. Took a little while to barter there.
What's thank you in Arabic?
Shukran.
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 Shukran. It's a long way back up. We then sat in the sun for a couple of hours back at the van. Bosun looks very happy, doesn't she? We're moving to the coast tomorrow. We'll catch you then.